This is a special weather statement, issued at 10:30 p.m., Sunday, September 6th. The following message is from the Oregon Office of Emergency Management. Historic wind event to hit Pacific Northwest Monday through Wednesday. This type of event occurs 2 to 4 times in a 100-year period. Winds more typically associated with winter storm systems will be seen. These winds are likely to reach above 50 miles an hour in the southern Oregon Cascades, and above 70 miles an hour for the central and northern Oregon Cascades. Rare to see in September, high wind warnings and watches have been issued for northern and eastern Oregon. Unprecedented issuance of red flag warnings for all areas west of the Cascades from northern California to the Canadian border. Red flag warning for all of Oregon due extreme wildfire danger. Exercise extreme caution outdoors with potential ignition sources, and heat restrictions from your local fire authority. Call 911 if a new fire starts, and evacuate quickly if a fire threatens your area. Local utilities may perform public safety power shutoffs to reduce the risk of sparking a new wildfire. Stay tuned for more information regarding fire evacuation, notices and shelter locations in the event a fire threatens. Evacuation notices in effect along the Upper Mackenzie due to fire. The following message is from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. A Level 3 evacuation notice has been issued to residents of the Holiday Farm RV Park at 54,432 Mackenzie Highway in Blue River. Level 3 means that danger to your area is current or imminent, and you should evacuate immediately. If you choose to ignore this advisement, you must understand that emergency services may not be available to assist you further. Do not delay leaving to gather any belongings or make efforts to protect your home. Level 2 evacuation for Mill Creek Road to Dearborn Island and for Mackenzie River Drive to Mackenzie Highway. Level 2 indicates there is significant danger to your area, and residents should either voluntarily relocate outside of the affected area, or if choosing to remain, to be ready to evacuate at a moment's notice. A temporary evacuation point is being established at Mackenzie High School at 51,187 Blue River Drive in Vida. Stay tuned for further information regarding fire evacuation notices and shelter locations. Evacuation notice in effect for Mohawk Valley due to fire. The following message is from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. A Level 3 evacuation notice has been issued to residents of Upper Camp Creek Road in Mohawk Valley from Wendling Road to the county line, including Wendling, Mohawk River, Marcola, and Mabel. A Level 3 evacuation notice has been issued for the Mohawk Valley north of Marcola Road and Hill Road. Level 3 means that danger to your area is current or imminent, and you should evacuate immediately. If you choose to ignore this advisement, you must understand that emergency services may not be available to assist you further. Do not delay leaving to gather any belongings or make efforts to protect your home. Stay tuned for further information regarding fire evacuation notices and shelter locations. Evacuation notice in effect for East Springfield due to fire. The following message is from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. A Level 1 evacuation notice has been issued to residents west of Leeburg extending to Thurston Road. Level 1 means, be aware of danger that exists in your area, monitor emergency services, and prepare for possible evacuation. Stay tuned for further information regarding fire evacuation notices and shelter locations. Evacuation notice in effect for Leeburg East to Mackenzie Bridge due to fire. The following message is from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. A Level 3 evacuation notice has been issued to residents of Leeburg extending to Mackenzie Bridge. All residents from the Holiday Farm RV Park, Deerhorn Island Road, and on both sides of Oregon Highway 126 from Mill Creek Road to Blue River Drive must leave immediately. Level 3 means danger is imminent or occurring in your area, and you should evacuate immediately. Do not delay leaving to gather any belongings or make efforts to protect your home. Stay tuned for further information regarding fire evacuation notices and shelter locations. Evacuation notice in effect for Sweet Home and the Highway 20 corridor due to fire. The following message is from the Lane County Sheriff's Office. The following areas remain at Level 1 evacuation notice: City of Sweet Home, Highway 20 corridor from Foster, moving east to Mountain House, Scott Mountain Road and Northern Drive areas, Wiley Creek areas south of Sweet Home, Foster areas south of Lynn West Drive, to the Lynn County line, between Interstate 5, east to Nye Road. Level 1 means, be aware of the danger that exists in your area, monitor emergency services, and prepare for possible evacuation. Please continue to follow official sources for the most accurate information. Civil emergency for all of Douglas County due to fire. The following message is from the Douglas County Sheriff's Office. Level 1 evacuation for county residents. Level 2 evacuation for Glide Green Bridge east to Cladhaney Lane, including all side streets, businesses in Lone Rock Road and French Creek Road. Level 3 evacuation for Cladhaney Lane east to Steamboat Creek Mott Bridge, including all side streets, businesses, Olive Rock Creek Road. Residents should evacuate at any time before a Level 3 if they feel unsafe. Residents are urged to take these evacuation notices seriously and follow recommendations of responders. The Red Cross has a temporary resource center set up at the Old Glide Middle School at 301 Glide Loop Road. Stay tuned for further information regarding fire, evacuation notices and shelter locations. Evacuation notice for all residents north and east of Lincoln City due to fire. The following message is from the Lincoln City Police Department. A Level 3 evacuation is in effect for all of East Devils Lake Road from the Lincoln City outlets north to Highway 101. A Level 2 evacuation is in effect for everyone north of Northeast Holmes Road on both the east and west sides of Highway 101. The greatest concern is the embers spreading from the fire to surrounding areas. Do not hesitate to evacuate prior to a Level 3 if you feel unsafe. Stay tuned for further information regarding fire evacuation notices and shelter locations.